Welcome to Venice, one of the most recognizable cities in the world. It grew out of the water and spread over 118 islands in the lagoon of the Adriatic Sea. There are canals instead of streets, and boats instead of cars. This structure is a direct consequence of geography. Venice stands on marshy islands, so back in the Middle Ages, the Venetians made water the main road. The houses were built on wooden piles made of larch or oak. In the local water, the tree eventually becomes as hard as stone. Today, there are no cars in the historical center. They travel by gondolas, vaporettos, and motorboats, and the narrow streets and hundreds of bridges only emphasize this water specificity. The architecture of Venice is a fusion of styles. Byzantine domes are adjacent to Gothic windows, and Oriental ornaments adorn the facades of palaces. The heart of the city is Piazza San Marco, where St. Mark's Cathedral is located. It began to be built in the 9th century, and since then it has absorbed Byzantine, Romanesque and Gothic features. Marble facades and golden mosaics make the cathedral one of the main symbols of Venice. The buildings along the Grand Canal are particularly expressive. Behind their elegance there is a complex engineering work, dense buildings, foundations on stilts and thoughtful stability on shaky ground. Another business card of the city is the Venetian Carnival. It is a celebration of masks and costumes. Puffy dresses, raincoats, hats, and masks of various shapes turn the streets into a theatrical stage. The carnival lasts about 2 weeks and seems to bring Venice back to the past, reviving the spirit of an ancient holiday. Venice is a city where history lives in every reflection on the water, and traditions become part of everyday life.